In this part of my project presentation, I'm going to walk you through a Shiny application I built for exploratory data analytics and predictive modeling. This Shiny app allows user to visualize data and perform clustering based on causes of death across countries. The primary goal of this Shiny app is to provide an interactive interface where users can explore various datasets related to causes of death, visualize data distributions, and perform clustering to group countries with similar death causes. Let's start by explaining the layout of the Shiny app. The first main section is sidebar panel, and the second is main panel. So the sidebar panel where users can control the input options, and this is the main panel where the plots and clusterings results are displayed based upon the user input. So in the sidebar planner, we have controls that allow users to select type of plots they want to generate. This include a drop down box where we can the user can choose between histogram, box plot, or scatter plot. An update plot button to apply the selected changes. Just we have to select the plot we want to visualize into. We can select it from the plot type. Then below the plot controls, we have another section for clustering analysis. The slider to select the number of clusters for k-means clustering, which ranges from 2 to 10. We can change this number of clusters according to users' needs, and we can see all the changes in the main panel here. And apply clustering button to perform the clustering and update the clustering plot. This section enables user to explore how different countries can be grouped based on causes of death. Now let's move on to how the server processes the data. The server loads the data using read.csv file, which includes various causes of death across countries. Once the data is loaded, we can use it in our visualizations and clustering analysis. The server logic listens to user inputs from the sidebar and generates different plots based on the user selection. For example, if the user selects histogram, the app plot the log transform distribution of smoking deaths. If the user selects box plot, the app displays a box plot of the log transformed high systolic blood pressure deaths. Here is an example of histogram showing the log transform distribution of smoking deaths. This transformation helps visualize the distribution more effectively. The box plot example similarly visualizes the distribution of deaths due to high systolic blood pressure, highlighting the spread and any outliers in the data. The scatter plot. This option allows users to explore the relationship between smoking and high systolic blood pressure. This provides insights into whether there is a correlation between these two causes of death. The scatter plot gives a clear view of how smoking deaths relate to high systolic blood pressure deaths in various countries. The clustering section, the clustering section, users can apply k-means clustering. This method groups countries based on similarities in causes of death like smoking and high systolic blood pressure. Users can select the number of clusters using the slider input. Once the clustering is applied, the countries are grouped into clusters based on similarities in the selected variables. Each color in the scatter plot represent the different clusters. Here, in summary, I would like to tell about the Shiny app, which explore different data visualizations such as histogram, box plot, and scatter plots, or any other plot to gain insights into causes of death. Applying k-means clustering to group countries based on similar patterns in death causes such as smoking and high systolic blood pressure. By making these visualizations and clustering interactive, the application helps users better understand the data and uncover hidden patterns. Thank you for taking the time to view my presentation on the Shiny app. I hope this demonstration gave you a good understanding of how we can use interactive tools to explore data and extract meaningful insights. Thank you so much.